Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have some full coverage nail tips here. I've already buffed them, removed the buffing dust, and applied one thin coat of Mia's Secret Extra Bond to the nails. You don't have to use this, but I just use it. It acts as sticky tape on the nails just to give the gel polish something further to adhere to. So I'm going in and using Born Pretty's gel base coat and applying a thin layer of that to the nails, and then I will cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And I do not show all nails on camera. After the gel base has cured, I'm going in and using Born Pretty's black gel polish. I'm applying a thin layer of that to the nails, and I'm just show two nails, and you will see the difference between the pinky and the nail next to the pinky, which will be the ring finger nail. I applied too thick of a coat to the pinky, and so when I did the ring finger, I was like, wait a minute, this is really thin. I need to go and take some of that polish off that pinky nail. So that's what I did. Once I got all of the nails coated, I then apply a thin second coat. Once I get all of the nails coated, I do pop them in my lamp for a full 60 seconds. So here's after the first coat. I'm then going in and applying a second thin coat of that black to the nails, and then I will cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp as well. I am then using Cat Magnetic Gel Polish from Born Pretty. The color is red. You can magnetize this over itself, like do a layer of red cat magnetic gel polish, use the magnet cure, and then do another layer of red. But I wanted the black effect under there, and this color did come with a magnet, that cylinder magnet that I showed. And so once I apply a generous amount to the nail, not too thick of a coat or it won't cure properly, I'm just using that magnet to go around the tip of the nail, the side walls, the cuticle area, and the other side as well, just to kind of get that those particles kind of in the middle of the nail to give that velvet type effect. I don't know, I thought that looked pretty for me. And these colors, these polishes, by the way, I did purchase with my own money, and I've just forgot. Sometimes when you order from Born Pretty site, it takes forever to get their stuff, and so I had forgot I actually ordered this one. I guess I ordered it in time to do a Christmas set of nails, because this is a Christmas themed mani. And so I just repeat that process. I do cure each nail separately, and so I'll just do a flash cure just to kind of freeze those particles in place, those magnetic particles, and then I do give the nails a full 60-second cure. I just do one coat of the magnetic gel polish. I'm going in with an alcohol prep pad and removing the sticky or inhibition layer from the nail, because I don't want to get that on my stamper. I stopped doing that, and then I just realized it was just leaving too much of a goopy layer on my stamper head, and it's a no for me. So once I remove the alcohol, I'm going in with a stamping plate from Uber Chic Beauty. This is Holly Jolly, and I'm cleaning that plate with acetone. I do use two images from this plate, and I was doing a test nail, and so it did have leftover stamping polish on there. And so I'm going to use two stamping colors, Bam White and Straight Up Black from Maniology. And so there's a little ribbon on that Uber Chic Beauty plate. I'm going to stamp the first part. And a lot of Uber Chic Beauty plates, they do have arrows telling you, after you stamp this image, then you go in and stamp the next one. And so I did, when I first picked it up, it was a little blurry. The bow wasn't as crisp as I wanted it to be, so I re-stamp it again, and then when I stamped it on the nail and did the outline, it was wonky, and you'll see coming up that line was wonky, and so off camera I did end up re-stamping. So as I mentioned, I restamped that off camera. Came out much better. Was it perfect? Nope, but it came out much better. So once I get that image or restamp that image, I go in with the words. I think it says "'Tis the season to be jolly." I'm going in and applying that to the middle finger. And when I first picked it up, it was a little blurry. And so I'm just cleaning the plate off with acetone, hopefully to get a crisper or sharper image off of that plate. Using the scraper card to get excess polish off of the stamper head before I place it on the nail. Or if you're wearing gloves, you can use your thumbnail to get that off as well. And so I put that plate to the side, and then I have another plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is CJS plate. I think it said C21. There's a present on there, and so this is a 3-part image. I stamped the body of the present and the lid in white, and then I'm going to stamp the outline of the present in black. I did end up fixing this off camera, restamping it, because I noticed when I did the outline, it wasn't lined up as well on the nail. Part of the outline was at the bottom or below that white part of the present. I then decided to use the swirls on that same plate. I used it on that ring finger, and then I decided to add it to my index finger as well, because I just couldn't leave those 2 nails plain. I like to do some extra. And plus, I think the white and black gave these nails a nice contrast with regarding the stamping. So once I let that stamping dry for a minute or so, I then go in and apply Born Pretty Super Top Coat to all of the nails, making sure I get the sidewalls and the free edge. And then I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so with these, I've been forgetting to cap my tips. And so once I cure the top part of the nails for a full 60 seconds, I will then take the nail stand and turn it up so that the tip of the nails that have gel polish on them will cure as well. So I do apply these nails with sticky tabs. I love these. I thought they were nice and velvety for Christmas. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.